Hello.
Hello.
Mrs. Marlowe, yes? Wonderful. Geoffrey, do come in.
Thank you.
M4, dreadful chore. That's what we used to say. Yeah, nearly 500 years old, in part. Shakespeare. What, pre? Oh, you must have bags. Boot of the car? Why don't I bring them in?
Oh,
The kettle's boiled. Kitchen, just through there. Tea in the cupboard, milk in the fridge. Just where you'd expect to find them. No problem. Gosh, broken my sweat. Apple from the garden? Scrumping, eh? No. Mustn't do that. Forbidden fruit. I'm joking. Have as many as you like. Make chutney. They only fall to the ground and spoil. Next thing you know, the place is full of wasps. Shall I show you around? Don't know why. But there's stacks more in the shed. No. Me neither. Only thing, sorry, have to say it, ladies, do watch what you flush. Septic tank, you see, can't cope. And finally, the master bedroom.
Wow.
10-minute walk there, 30-minute walk back. Where's hubby? Mrs. Marlowe, no? Oh. Well done, Geoffrey. Just the one. Don't worry if you lose it. To be honest, you don't need to lock your doors around here. Bye-bye.
And the kitchen. And moving ever so gently into the east wing. It's a bit...
Kate, let's get him up.
Who are you? Want to play a game? Hide and seek? You hide, I'll seek. You can't hide. Go on. I bet you're good at it.
Oh.
Why don't you fuck off?
Yes, but, one thing, do you mind? You're in pain, yes? Do you think I could help? But, haunted.
He hit me. He'd never done that before. Just locked the door, wouldn't let him back in. I honestly don't know. It happened so quickly, but I think he did.
I see. If I may, I think You need to be understood. And inevitably, you also feel an awful sense of guilt. The seared snapshot image. Why, yes, you carry it, but you ask yourself repeatedly, what if? It's the screaming. No, yours. You must wonder why you drove him to it. Did you? Men do strike women, sometimes. It's not nice, but it's not a capital offense. Do you prefer things to be comfortable or true? Ah, pomegranate. Very good. Ah, Miss... I know the feeling well. What'll it be, miss?
Vodka tonic, please.
Well, let's wait. It seems that you don't have legal tender. Just chalk it up. Settled in, okay? No. You know, at dawn, the sun shines straight through. Been for a walk yet? The old railway line. Ends as
Oi
they
to the oi.
pass through the woods.
Hello, Jimmy.
Well, surely not. Some bloke, not a stitch of clothing on it. Goodness me. When the cat's away, eh?
That's him. Sounds like you know the guy, Jeff.
Stop it.
Maybe.
I'm so sorry, Miss Marlowe.
No, it's not your fault, Jeffrey.
It must have been awful for you.
Yeah. Yeah, I had to let him go. What makes you say that? You saw him twice. I don't know if he saw you once. It's not quite stalking, is it? Well, if you see him again, give us a shout.
Miss Marlowe, what on earth are you talking about? What the hell is going on? I heard screaming and then a window break. Was it that bloody man? Has he come back? Oh, God. You poor thing.
Oh, don't look, Miss Marlowe. Sorry about that. The broken wing is...
I don't understand why it gave you a fright.
Kick the door in.
Who? What?
And another man.
You have precisely the qualities of a failed military man. Told me that. I was only 7 years old. Spread up. All clear here. Seems to me like they might have got.
You really hurt me. Look what you did. You wouldn't even play a game of hide and seek. But I think you will now. I don't think you will. But you probably should. It'll be the last.
A shudder in the loins engenders there the broken wall. I'm asking you, at what age you lost your virginity? I've been thinking about it. Legs open. Vagina open. Mouth open. And carnality. Someone who has explored all the things that they can do. And have done to them. These things now exist in my mind. These rocks. Cave. This slit. This